What's going on, good people, and welcome back to the channel, Old Bike New Man. I am, of course, your host, G. And if this is your first time coming, I appreciate you checking out a video of mine. Hope you'll come back and check out some others down the line, or check out some of the previous videos I've already released. And if this is your second or more time coming back, I really appreciate it. And if this is not your first video that you've seen of mine, you may have noticed that we have a new intro. Yes. I like the one that I had previously because it fits my personality. However, once I got a camera that was of good quality and I started seeing the upgrade in footage and photo and video quality, it kind of made me think, maybe I should try to update some other things on the channel. And that's what I'm going to be trying to do going forward. Slowly but surely. Some things will stay the same because I'm still have to stay true to who I am, but we will make some updates. Where we're headed today is a familiar place, Choctaw Casino in Durant, Oklahoma, excuse me. But today we're going to do an unfamiliar activity, or at least the primary goal is not the same. We're going to check out some classic cars. They're doing an auction there, and by the time you all see this video, the auction will have already occurred. But I just wanted to go check out a few of the cars. I don't think it's a lot inside the casino because they're going to all be pretty much in the auction area where they have it at, but they have some nice ones in there from what I understand, so I'm going to go check that out. But I see that traffic is coming to a slow crawl, which is normal in Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm not shocked at all, but the temperatures are pretty good, so slowing down is not a big thing. So what I'll do is I'll catch back up with you all once I get to Oklahoma. All right, peace. All right, good people, as you can see, we are moving freely again. We've made it out of the traffic jam in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we're actually in Oklahoma now. I'm not sure what town this is because there's like 2 or 3, I believe, little towns you pass through prior to getting to Durant, and they're small, so you probably pass them pretty quickly. At this point, I only have probably about 5 to 7 minutes left of my commute to the actual casino to see the classic cars. So man, one thing that stands out here is that, as you can see, there's still construction. Like I said, this is a small little area that we're passing through, small towns, but everyone is expanding. Everyone is trying to build something on every inch of free land. So I think that's just a common thing we have here. So it is what it is, but we're almost to the casino. So what we'll do is we'll ride a little bit, and I'll get you guys to the casino and let you check out the cars, and I'll check back in with you before we close out the video. All right, good people, peace. All right, good people, we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I appreciate you all for hanging out with me for a few minutes, taking a few minutes out of your day that you could have been doing something else with. So once again, it is sincerely appreciated. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up, and I will catch up with you all in the next video that will hopefully be coming out soon. Appreciate you all. Peace.